Looking at the area of a composite figure is not always a matter of adding pieces together. Sometimes you're going to be subtracting. In this example here, I'm looking at a cutout from a disc. I have a circle from which I've removed a trapezoid. That's the key to approaching this problem. Don't think of it in terms of what pieces do I add together. Think of it as what pieces do I take away. Same rules still apply. So for example, I can get the area of that full disk. Area of a circle is pi r squared, which specifically in this case is going to have a radius. And again, this is what you want to be careful about. When I look at this circle, it says the diameter, the distance across the circle, is 20 units. My radius, therefore, that distance there, is only going to be 10 units. So you want to be very careful and make sure that you're not confusing diameter and radius in your work. So pi times a radius of 10 squared. That works out to be 314. I'm using centimeters for this problem, so square centimeters. Now that's the whole disk. From the disk, I will have removed this trapezoid here. This trapezoid is getting cut out and taken away. So what I'm going to do with this is to figure out that area and subtract it. Now the area of a trapezoid, from what we've studied, is the average of the two bases divided by 2 times the height. Let's plug everybody in and see what happens. I have base 1, which is 12, base 2, which is 20, all of that divided by 2 times a height of 8. This is going to combine to 32. Divided by 2 is 16. And 16 times 8, a little shaky, I don't want to make a mistake on this, I'll double check with my calculator, gives me 128. So that's the part I've removed. So now what I can do is I can take the 314, which is the whole disk, subtract the 128 that I've cut out. Let's see here, 314. And that gets me an answer of 186 square centimeters is the area of the shaded portion that remains. For composite figures, you want to be asking yourself, can I combine two or more figures by adding their areas, or can I find the area of a large piece and subtract the cutouts from it?